If you're in the market for something fun that's guaranteed to hold its value for a very long time, it's hard to go wrong with a vintage Corvette. America's favorite sports car is finally commanding the respect it deserves. And with awesome classics like this top-flight 65 Stingray mixing a clean restoration with red carpet curb appeal, it's not hard to see why. The beneficiary of a comprehensive body-off restoration, this impressive roadster is a lust-worthy rendition of a timeless American classic. The car's correct Tuxedo Black 2-stage can draw the most discerning eye. Under that rich pigment, great fit and finish is aligned to better than factory standards. And all of that visual pizzazz is capped in traditional black vinyl with familiar trim and cross-flag badges. Slip into the serene interior and settle on correct leather buckets that are dressed in factory lap belts. A body-matched dash found an array of black-trimmed gauges, next to controls for factory air conditioning and a Delco AM/FM radio. A shallow console frames a familiar chrome shifter, and a telescopic column spins a classy teak wheel. Tilt this Corvette's hood and you'll find 327 cubic inches of hot L79 small block. One of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines of its day, it sends 350 horsepower through a Muncie 4-speed back to a factory differential. If you are looking for a timeless classic that mixes unmatched style with instant fun, this Corvette is your kind of car. It's cool from every angle. It plays to a level of nostalgia that everyone can appreciate. And whether you're setting up at a show or just spending Saturday afternoon on the town, it's guaranteed to be the center of attention. For more information, click the link below or visit us at rkmotors.com.